Okay, YouTubers, this is my solar system, my solar panel array. These are 5 240 watt 24 volt sharp panels that I got off eBay. That's a 1200 watt configuration. We'll go inside of my battery bank. This is my washroom where I've got everything set up. This is my battery bank. That's 8 350 amp hour 6 volt solar batteries. They're configured for 24 volts, putting out 24 volts up to my inverter. My inverter is a 3000 watt 24 volt inverter. My charge controller is a 12 volt or 24 volt charge controller, and it will handle a wind turbine and a solar system at the same time. It's 160 amps. It comes from Coleman air. It's at any time this will tell you what the status of your battery bank is. Like right now, 23.92 volts in my battery bank. This thing, when it gets fully charged, that little green light will quit blinking, and it'll be continuous green. Then it won't be but about 5 or 10 minutes, and a red light will come on underneath it, and that thing will dump power. That charge controller, that's what that's for. It keeps you from overcharging your battery bank. And so that thing dumps power, and they've even got a heater, a water heater, and just a regular heater that you can hook to this, and it'll dump that load. It'll heat your water or heat your washroom or whatever you hook it to. But I don't let this thing dump any power. We try to keep something hooked to it at all times, because we don't want to dump any power out in the atmosphere. We want as much free power as we can get. Right now my refrigerator and my freezer is running on this. It'll run it 24 hours a day, no problem. And it'll sometimes when it's a real bright sunny day, I will disconnect my refrigerator and stuff from it and hook up a 1500 watt heater. It'll run a 1500 watt heater all day long as it's sunny. And so it's a very good charge controller. I looked online. Anything that would handle 160 amps online was about $600 or $700. I gave about $170 for this charge controller. So it's everything that I got here, my breakers and my fuse. It's a 100 amp fuse, my little diode blocker. Everything here came from Coleman air. They've even got a bigger charge controller online that you can buy. They've got a tech guy up there. His name is Craig, and you can email him. He'll usually get back with you in an hour or so, or you can call up there, and if he's there, he'll talk to you if you got any problems, technical questions or anything. These people are real good people. They treated me right, and this thing has worked just beautifully for the money. I don't think you can beat it. So if you're going to set up a system, you ought to check them out online at colemanair.us. And I'm going to make another video later that explains more in depth on what all this stuff will do and how I set it up. So thank you very much for watching my video.